So, ayan ang aking fruit salad, guys. I-frozen ko na siya, okay? We will put this into freezer kasi kailangan ito naka-frozen para this will taste like ice candy, okay? So, join me, guys, in making this, in sharing with you my video tutorial on how to make a delicious, yummy-licious fruit salad. Ayan na nagawa ko, guys. Fruit salad. Big fruit salad. Big.
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Pherl TV, okay? This is your Mami Kayami Pherl Hetahobe, okay? In today's video, I once again would love to share with you a very delicious yummy food, okay? The yummy food that everyone would love to eat, especially this holiday season, okay? So, if you want to see it right now, I will show you and I will give you the step-by-step procedure of making this yummy food. But before that, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to get updated whenever I posted up a new vlog. Okay? Advance Happy New Year to all. I hope you will enjoy watching this very beautiful video that I've made for every family. Good day. Mwah.
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Pherl TV. For those who are just new to this channel, please don't forget to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button so you will be updated whenever I have new vlogs uploaded, okay?
You want to watch a vlog?
By the way guys, I'm a mommy chef, engineer, but right now staying inside the house because I have decided to leave my job and become a home-based mom to take good care of my daughter, okay? Hi guys, good day, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Pherl TV. So for today's video is gagawa ulit tayo ng ating fruit salad, my second edition of fruit salad. But today I will be adding the authentic fruits, okay? I will be adding the grapes, I will be adding apple, okay? I will be adding cheese, kaong, okay? We are about to celebrate a very special day which is a New Year. That is why we need to prepare for this special celebration, okay? So join with me guys, all these fruits, and then we will slice this into cubes. And then the grapes also, we will wash this well, okay? And then the kaong, we will drain this. We will be needing strainer in order for the juice of this to be extracted separately, okay? And then the ibab, and also this fruit cocktail, we will remove the liquid, okay? Because all we need are the fruits, okay? Not the liquid, because what we're about to add are milk, okay? Milk. But before we start the video tutorial, guys, please don't forget to give a like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell button in order for you to get updated whenever I posted a new vlogs, okay? And for other videos that you want to learn from with, kindly visit my playlist, my Shasha's Home Chef Culinary playlist, okay? So, yun na nga guys. Naka-ready na ang ating mga fruits, okay? So, eto na ang nata di coco. Nata di coco to guys. Ganyan na talaga siya. May kulay na siya. Yung kaong, okay? Napakaganda ng color na. Drainin ko siya guys. I-drain natin. Ko siya sa, ito yung apple guys. Binabad ko sa sabaw nito. Diba kasi to process to. So, may juice to. Kinuha ko yung juice niyan. Nilagay ko dito. Okay? So, pag start natin, when we are about to put into the milk mixture, dapat tanggalin natin yung sabaw ng apple. Ay, ng fruits, okay? Kasi kailangan walang sabaw, okay? Yan. Ready na. And then the cheese. The grapes. Okay, yummy. Pa ako dito. Manabawasan ko yun ng content the last time. Evaporada. Check natin. Dalawa. Ito kasi may bawas na to eh. And then, isang kondensada. Okay? So, tara na guys. Start na tayo sa ating mixing procedure. Let's start the mixing procedure, okay? Guys, in order to make the fruit salad, my first procedure is to make the milk mixture, okay? I will be using condensed milk, okay? Condensed milk, 1 can, 3. Yeah, the condensed milk, okay? First, you have to put the condensed milk. And second, we will put the evaporada. Evaporada. We need to have wire whisk, okay? Para evenly ma-distribute siya. Let's put the cow. Okay, guys, grapes, I will be adding the fruit cocktail. Time to mix this, okay? Mix this all together. Wow. Wow. Sakto lang. Sakto lang guys. Yung ating milk, diba? Simutin natin yung sa condense, yung ano niya, yung milk. Ayun. Diba? Yummy. But the very first... So, titikman ko na guys ang salad. Tikman natin, okay? Kuhanin natin yung, yan. Para ma-check natin yung